Hi, wondering what's behind? That's actually Taylor Swift Eras poster customized by my photographs. Well, I have also discussed this in my licensed merchandise video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it. I love Taylor Swift, and as much as I love her for her music, I love her equally for her brilliant business and marketing instincts. She is a real business and marketing mastermind.
What if I told you I'm a mastermind?
How? Let's check it out in this video. Taylor Swift with her amazing album starting from Taylor Swift, Fearless, Speak Now, Red, 1989, Reputation, Lover, Folklore, Evermore, Midnights, and Torture Poet Department. With all these amazing albums, these all albums have something in common. Have you ever noticed? These all albums follow one color theme, and that color theme is throughout her album. Well, these colors are not chosen randomly, but they are chosen psychologically. Every color masters the art of symbolism. Every album represents some idea, theme, and story. And Taylor Swift is a master of storytelling. Talking about her last album, which was Torture Poet Department, represents 5 stages of grief. And every grief, which is every stage, was represented by a different color. This art of color psychology, that is what she wants to convey, stick into our mind when she uses different types of colors representing her state of emotions. When she released her album, everything from her Insta account to her website, to album covers, to the videos and album covers, and even the events she attended during those release of album represent the same color. Like during the Grammys, when she won a Grammy for Midnights, she wore the classic white dress, and when she won that award, she announced her album of Torture Poet Department, wearing that white color outfit itself. Similarly, when she was premiering her Eras Tour movie, she wore that blue dress because during that time she re-released her 1989 album, which represents the blue color, and her dress says it all that she was promoting her 1989 album. So when she wants to release any of her album, her Instagram account is filled with those colors. Whether it is 1989, Lover, Folklore, Evermore, or Torture Poet Department, every album has a special place and special color in her Instagram account. So from the next time, if you want to build a brand or just curated your new Instagram post, remember, color isn't just cute, but it's powerful. So choose it wisely, sell the vibe, and let your color palette do some talking. So use of this color in marketing is deeply psychological. So using of color is a deeply subconscious emotional response created within a millisecond. So when Taylor Swift was going to release her Reputation album, which was all dark theme, we were going to know that it's going to be some powerful album and giving some muh tor jawab to K West. Color boost visual memory. So human brain can retain up to 80% of information if it is visually color coded. That's why your favorite flavor of Lay's is blue wala ya orange wala, and not Indian masala or Indi masala. This is how we don't remember the name of the flavor, but we remember it through its color. Color create brand consistency and recognition. So if I'm talking about Pink album of Taylor Swift, definitely you come across that I'm talking about Lover. Let me ask you one question. What comes into your mind when you think of any brand, any company which has a logo of blue and yellow color? I'll give you some time. Have you thought of that company as IKEA? Well, in this case, you didn't win, but IKEA won. How these brands are recognizing themselves with their colors and logos. So color signal product purpose or positioning. So if Taylor Swift is talking about the very first album, her Taylor Swift, which was themed with light blue and golden, she was representing the innocence and youth. When she was talking about Fearless, she wants to denote growth, bravery, and nostalgia, and thus use color gold. When she wants to talk about Speak Now, which represent creative freedom and fantasy, she represents the color purple. When she wants to represent red, which was emotional extreme and heartbreak, she represents the color red. When she wants to convey her story through 1989, which represents reinvention and confidence, she used light blue color. When she wants to promote Reputation album, she used black and green color, symboling rebellion, power, and mystery. When she wants to release her Lover, she used pastel pink and rainbow, representing love, inclusivity, and softness. When she wants to release Folklore, she used grayscale color, which represent calm, reflection, and authenticity. When she wants to release Evermore, she used autumn tones, which represents healing, endings, and folklore. When she wants to represent Midnight, she wants to convey the idea of dreams, anxiety, and elegance, which was represented by deep blue and violet color. So well, she didn't explain it theoretically, but explained through the colors. And lastly, color enhances social media strategy. So brands like Rode, which is a heavyweight company, also uses this concept of color coding. So whenever new skincare product she launch, she changes her Instagram account representing that skincare brand. So here we come to the end of the video, and let me tell you one thing. My pen also follows the Lover theme. Let me know which is your favorite Taylor Swift album. Thank you.